this video what I'm making today, I'm starting a new chapter on my channel. Hello my dear viewers and welcome to my channel. Because I'm beginner in all of this, I'm not familiar with the subjects, what I need, when I need what do I need actually, but yeah, that is why I'm recording this story, to later on to remind myself how was it. Well, recently I have decided to make a motorcycle driving license, to expand my driving license for the category for motorcycles. And because I have a driving license for about, like, I don't know, 28 years, I need to expand my present driving license with this category for motorcycles. This process lasts a few months and costs a lot here in Germany. And I will try to record all these things what I need to do in this process. You need to have a first aid course, you need to check your eyes, and apparently today I'm going to optician, while last week I checked my eyes and apparently I don't see very well. And it came out as a result that I have to wear glasses when I'm driving a car or a motorcycle, and this I have to write down on my driving license. Present in this moment I'm on the way to optician because he wrote me an email that my glasses are done. So just around the corner, that's my optician. Here I will get my glasses.
Few moments later.
So apparently the glasses were not okay. I don't see good and they have to change something, but they will do it in 2-3 days. Now I have a other issue. Apparently for my first praxis class on Thursday I need to have a freaking motorbike trousers. Hello, it's day number 2 and I'm on my way to my driving school. I have a 1.5 hour theory class today. Until now I did 2 theory classes and today is my 3rd one. I have 7 more to go, and tomorrow I have a first bike driving class. So today is a day when I have a practice, first hour of my practice driving a bike.
No! God, please, no! No!
And in the moment I'm on the way with my car to this spot where I'm gonna meet my driving teacher. These are the bikes on which I will learn how to drive them. And today is my first practice hour. I'm really excited about it. I'm waiting on my teacher to come in 2-3 minutes and then we are starting. I just had my first practice on a bike and wow, I'm totally satisfied.